for shorting out some of our lights.
Look, we're only here to do the water effects. We're not in charge of electrical. That's a different union.
Timmy?
Union mafia bastards?
Oh, well, look, Tim. All's fair in love and theater, right?
Keep it here for That's My Bush, because a brilliant man deserves a brilliant sitcom. Then, it's The Man Show, only on Comedy Central.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird. The bird is a winner. Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird.
The Kia Sportage in the Paris-Dakar Rally. The most grueling race in the world. 6,200 miles, 100-degree temperatures, 21 days, and one radio station. The 2001 Kia Sportage, thoroughly tested and backed by a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Right now, get up to $2,500 cash back or 1.9% financing through July 2nd.
It's absurd. It's outrageous. Monty Python's Flying Circus. Call now and get Monty Python on 2 full-length videos or 1 DVD for just $19.99. Use your credit card in the next 10 minutes and we'll cut the price in half. You'll get 2 videos or 1 double-length DVD for just $9.99. Then preview other hilarious volumes. Keep only those you want. Cancel anytime. From lumberjacks to dead parrots, you'll get all your favorite Monty moments. Remember, call now with your credit card order and get Monty Python for just $9.99. Don't miss out on this exclusive TV offer. Call now.
Call 1-800-523-9800 and get 2 videos or 1 DVD for only $9.99 when you use your credit card. That's 1-800-523-9800. Or send $19.99 plus $3.99 shipping and handling to the address on your screen. Call now.
On the next That's My Bush.
We're Republicans. We don't like the pro-choice people, remember?
But I'm a uniter, Carl.
Can George end the debate over abortion?
Tastes like failure.
That's My Bush, coming up next, only on Comedy Central.
Comedy Central Movies presents the story of 2 down-and-out friends.
I deserve better than this, Ali.
Given the chance of a lifetime.
I can't tell you how happy I am to have you in my home.
This whole place is the bomb.
But with Cinderellas like these,
She looked like Lakeisha Jenkins with a bad hair weave.
moving on up has never been so painful.
But it got so tiny.
Halle Berry and Martin Landau star in the Comedy Central movie B.A.P.S. tomorrow night at 8, only on Comedy Central.
Oh, boy, Ramada! Hey, we're like the break of the house!
Thanks, Mr. Bill. I'll grab a card.
You know, many of the nation's
2001 Peabody Award is The Daily Show with Jon Stewart for its Indecision 2000 coverage. Critical reporting,
Do you like our jackets? I'm sure they're great jackets.
up-to-the-minute coverage,
Senator Lieberman.
insightful analysis,
I was not elected to serve one party.